Good morning everyone, how are you today? As you can recall from last class when we learned about English noun and different type of nouns. Today we will review different type of nouns. There are two different types of English nouns, common nouns and proper nouns. 1. Common nouns. The common nouns are words describe non-specific people, places, animals, or things. The common nouns words describe non-specific people. For example, policeman, policewoman, doctor, angelfish, bear, cat, school, cafe shop, pet shop, birdhouse, gloves, Two. Proper nouns. The proper nouns are words describe specific people, places, animals, or things. Jack, Jean, Hatteen, America, Canada, United Kingdom, mountain, train, spaceship,